So this is pound dollar analysis for Friday the 23rd of February. Now let's just have a look what happened prices and where prices may likely go. So we were saying the 400 period moving average was acting as descending resistance. We did see the sell side momentum continue here in this market. We didn't quite get down towards this 38.35 or even 38.50. We did post a bit of a pin bar here, and we did see further buy side momentum come back into this market. So we broke above this 39.42 in and around an area where we do have a bit of a confluence here. We do have the confluence of the 200 period moving average as well as this 39.42, the horizontal level. We have seen prices come up towards these 200 period moving average. We've seen sell side momentum come into this market, and we do appear to be holding above the 39.42. So if we continue to hold above the 39.42, we'll be expecting price head up towards our 140.05. But first, we have to successfully navigate the 400 period moving average, a break from which we'll be looking for prices to head up towards our 41.18. But it is pretty far away. I wouldn't anticipate it coming into focus here, as we're currently trading in around the 39.49. Unless we do have a particularly volatile day. So the far end of the range possibly being in around the, we might get up to 141.18 now thinking about it. The pound dollar does have a sizable ATR, so it is possible. I do think it's unlikely, however, but we first have to navigate quite a few areas of resistance, especially in around the 140.05, where we do have the 400 period moving average. If, however, we aren't able to have this bull flag play out that we do appear to be developing here above the 39.42, we would be looking for prices to break down further towards to test these most recent lows, possibly in around 38.50. Successful break from which we're looking for price head down towards that major level marked out here in red around 38.35. If we are unable to find support at 38, if we aren't able to find support here at 38.35 for further upside continuation, we would be looking for prices to break down even further to the downside. Beyond 38.35, the very next level that we are looking at is in around the 37.50. Don't anticipate prices moving all the way down towards that 37.50, but it is important to bear that number in mind. We may just head down towards that 138 would possibly be the far end of the range, but 138 would be the far end of the range. We would anticipate prices moving all the way down to 37.50, so 138 I would expect to be the far end of the range if we did see a significant breakdown and a break below the 38.35 level. Now if we just have a quick look at the daily time frame, let's just see the daily time frame here, and we get the scale on here correct. What we can see here on this daily time frame is we've had this move upwards, a period of consolidation, break above, consolidation, both pullback, break above as well. Now we've come into an area where we have found some resistance more recently in around the 42.66. We've had a pullback down towards this 140.05, is it? Let's make sure I get this correct. 38.35, sorry. We've had this pullback down towards this 38.35. Had a move up, rejected 41.18, but we do appear to be having bullish buy side momentum come back into the market. So again, the plan outlined earlier is what we possibly expect. If we do see bullish buy side momentum continue in the market, it will be in alignment with the higher time frame trend, which is to the upside. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.